from Slovenia again. This series I will play with PVA glue as my pouring medium. I will use just this PVA glue, Craft Planet PVA glue that we can buy in Europe, in Slovenia. I mixed 6 parts of glue to 3 parts of water for my pouring medium, and then I mixed in ratio is 1:1 with the paints, and this is permanent red violet, so this is the consistency. And I have 24K gold, red violet, ultramarine blue, Pebeo iridescent blue green, permanent blue violet, some pearl white, and I will pour this into my cup, and I will add a little bit of just titanium white mix into the gold, because I don't want the whole part to be just gold. Red violet. I will add some pearl white here for maybe some nice effects or something, and ultramarine blue. And I will do a thing that I do lately, that I will dirty pour first, because I like the effects. I know that it's nothing new, nothing spectacular, but I like the results, so I will do that. And I have a little bit of colors left that I will probably use for some flower dips maybe. I will just add a little bit of white in every of those chambers too, just titanium white. I will do different techniques, and we will see how the glue works for those techniques. I want a little bit of this white, titanium white here for kind of a flow extender, and have something to pour in on. We will see the effects with the glue. Whoop. Okay, and I will go from up high for the start, so let's do that. Come closer. Wow, like it. Since I have deep edged canvas, I need enough paint to cover my sides too. So we'll pour some white around. Wow, those effects are gorgeous! I lately find the joy in, you know, the basic techniques with the little twist. So this is split cup with the little twist, with pouring it from up high first to get some nice effects from mixing colors, and then add the little details on the bottom. So yeah, I like that. Look at that. Not a big fan of this creature here. I will hopefully tilt it off, like this gold part here and here. Some really cool effects there. So hopefully we will manage to tilt this out in something beautiful. Since the weight of the paint is there, I will grab corner catcher. So I will try to maintain some of this part, but I still need, you know, paint to go over, so like that. But I definitely want to keep some of this gold. Let's go to this side. Over. I said I have to, you know, go over because of the deep edge. Okay. And now I will walk. So I already get rid of that creature that I didn't like. Okay, definitely a lot of reaction with that glue. So now I will work on my composition. I want this to go off just to have this flow here in the middle. So I will tilt so my weight of the paint is right there now, so I can push this over. Okay, go back. Now I want to go over with that. go back to the middle and probably call it done. Let's do it's okay. To check on my sides, of course. I love that. Really do. Love the colors. Let's give it a torch. Very dreamy in my opinion because of all the blending of the color and everything. I love it. So let me take you down for a close-up. Isn't she dreamy? And there is so many amazing gorgeous details. Here is like there is a cave with some beautiful scenery inside. Just gorgeous, isn't it? And this part I just love it. I love this dirty split cup pour with some details. I know, not everyone's cup of tea, but I love it. And I'm really, really happy with the final result. I hope it will dry okay. So my first pour with glue pouring medium, wow, I'm really, really happy with it. Can't wait to see it dry. I hope, fingers crossed, that it will dry okay. So stay tuned for the dried results. So here she is dry, and I love this. I love this part here with kind of a cave or portal to another world. I love the cloudy look. I love the colors together. There is that blue-green that shifts from blue to green. Yeah, I'm really, really pleased with this result. I got some nice effects from the mixture. See the cloudiness. It's definitely a little different than with my pouring medium, but I think that it's quite beautiful. So yeah, happy with this one. Stay tuned, I will do more techniques, probably one more with the kind of dirty split cup, or how, I don't know how to call this technique, but I will also do some flowers so that we will see how the glue reacts. So thanks for being here. Tell me what you think about this painting, and see you again on the next one. Bye!